Hello everyone, so in this video, pag-usapan natin ang Jisu Life Ultra 1, and if you want to clean up the front part of this portable fan, you're on the right video. On a previous one, I discussed with you on how to clean up the back part. Oh well, it's not an easy way to do it, but I showed you how to open this up and probably clean the back part of your motor. Now, similarly, gagamit din tayo ngayon ng guitar pick. We use this to open up the back part of this Jisu Life Ultra 1 so you have an access to the motor. Ngayon, sa front part, similar, you will do a similar approach on opening this up, but we have to do some extra care while doing this. Okay? So if you have a guitar pick na medyo mas manipis pa dito, this is 1 mm. If you have a pick na mas manipis, mas maganda. Or if you have some tools on how to open up your mobile phone or any other gadget, you could use this type of tools. I'll put a link in the description if you want to buy some of these tools so that it will help you to do some maintenance work. Di lang to magagamit sa Jisu Life Ultra 1. You could also use it on other projects that you might want to do in the near future. This also has a similar guitar pick style, but this is actually a way to open up those clips na ginagamit usually sa mga gadgets. Or you could also have this type of squadger, pero ganun din, similar approach. Medyo naka-angle siya ng kaunti. You could also use this, or you could also use this one if you have. Yan, medyo may konting, ito kasi buong pick is flat. This one, kapraso lang, so you don't have to do, kumbaga alam mo kung hanggang saan ka lang babaon on your clip para hindi masyadong malalim. Okay? So, you could also use this kind of tools. Ingatan nyo lang with this front part is, makikita nyo sa loob, there's actually a wire going to the LED light. Second thing, there's some glue na nilagay si Jisu Life dito. Either, if I'm not mistaken, lines na to. Narito yung isang glue. Narito din yung isang glue. Kung hindi nyo siya matanggal using the clip, you may want to use a blow dryer, hair dryer. Tapos, medyo painitan nyo lang ng bahagyang-bahagya until lumambot lang yung glue. Mag-soften up yung glue. Pag nag-soften up, you will use your prying tool. Gaganyan nyo lang siya sa gilid until ma-open nyo yung mga clip. Okay? Katulad ng ginawa natin sa likod, mag-ingat lang sa pag-angat ng clip para at least walang masira. No? Yan. Hanggang sa tumunog. Pag medyo nakaangat na yan, you are good to go. Okay? Okay. Yan. Medyo nakaangat na. Yan. Medyo i-swing nyo ng kaunti para bumuka. Ngayon, kung medyo malambot yung nagamit nyo na pick, get a thicker one. Kung medyo nakaangat na siya, yan. Para madaling, okay, ganun. At least hindi masira yung guitar pick nyo. Okay. Ang iingatan natin, papakita ko sa inyo kung anong part na maingat. Pag-iingat tayo. Okay. Okay. Natanggal ka na. Yan. Ako, natanggal ko agad. Okay. Ito yung wire na sinasabi ko na medyo iingatan nyo. Kasi ito yung nakakonect sa LED sa harap. Okay. I haven't tried to remove itong LED sa harap, no? Kung yan nasira, I haven't tried. So, I cannot vouch kung paano siya gawin kasi there seems no screw, no? I'm not sure if you have to heat this up as well, mag-soften ng glue, matatanggal nyo. I'm not sure. Pero most likely, ganun ang way ng pagkakadikit nito. Okay? So, if you want to clean this up, get some... Sino yung brush ko? Nawala. Okay? Get a brush, no? Linisin nyo na yan. Kung medyo maalikabok. Usually kasi pag lagi mo siyang ginagamit, lalo pag nasa labas ka ng bahay, sumasakay ka sa jeep, dumudumi talaga to. Okay? So, yan. Linis nga na. Okay? Dito, actually, mali ako. It's actually for glue, no? Nakalagay pala siya sa isa. Kung ito yung nakaharap sa'yo, 1, 2, tapos mayroong dalawang glue sa pagitan sa baba. So, kung itatapat nyo man yung blower, tapat nyo lang dun sa bandang glue. Medyo banda dito. Sa ilalim, tsaka dalawang gilid. Okay? Oh, by the way, if you'll be doing this, do this at your own risk. Kung hindi kayo kampanting gawin to, paggawa nyo na lang sa iba. Sa mas marunong. Okay? Pero madali lang naman siya tanggalin once matanggal nyo yung glue. Kasi yun lang yung kumakapit dun sa clip. Okay? Yan. Ngayon, bakit mo gustong i-access to? Possibly kasi minsan may naiiwan na buhok dyan sa taas, no? Dito sa, dito ba? Doon sa part na yon, minsan hindi nyo kasi makukuha sa likod, minsan napupunta rin yung buhok dito sa harap, no? Tapos gusto mo tanggalin, okay? O kaya naman, you want to check kung may problema yung mga nakahinang dyan, no? Yung mga diode, yung capacitor dyan. Kung may problema, you could access it through the front part of the G-Life Ultra 1. Okay? Dito, hindi pa natin na-access ang battery. I haven't tried to open this up. Siguro on another video, pag-usapan natin kung paano tanggalin yung battery. But for now, I just want to show you how to do it pag gusto mong linisin yung front part. Okay? Yan, kita nyo naman, no? Wala siya masyadong clip, unlike with the back part na talagang naka-ankla dun sa cover. Ngayon, if you want to put this back again, kita nyo yung white part na yon, okay? Titignan nyo yung dulo ng wire, no? Hindi yan katulad USB Type-C na pwedeng any direction. Meron lang siyang isang direction. I believe this is a JST 3. It's a 4 wire, no? The JST port. Okay? Tignan nyo lang, silipin nyo kung paano yung pagkakahulma ng port sa cover. Then, carefully, ibabalik natin. In my case, mas madali if you'll be using a tweezer, no? Mas madali siyang ibalik. Kasi medyo, di ko din alam why they designed it this way, medyo mahirap ibalik. Pero, yan ang gagawin nyo, maikli lang kasing wire. Hindi ko na alam kung pwede pa siyang ihilahin, pero baka kasi may maputol. It's very, very thin. So, ang gawin nyo lang, medyo idikit nyo yung cover, then use a tweezer, no? Then gently plug the port. Medyo, just be patient. Minsan hindi to agad-agad yung mga nangyayari. Di basta-basta pumapasok. Ay, nga pala, nagmo ko sabihin. Merong kanal, there's a passage here for the wire. Diyan yung idaan yung wire kasi saktong-sakto yung haba niya dun sa laki ng cover. So, if G-Life can redesign this, hopefully they could make it easier to open up all of the front tsaka back cover of this Ultra 1, kung meron ng Ultra 3, kasi alam ko may lalabas na Ultra 2 na. If there's an Ultra 3, you could design it that way para hindi mahirap mag-maintenance. Because that is one thing that is good about G-Life. Madaling i-maintain, lalo yung battery ng kanilang mga fan. Okay? Hold on. Pasok na.
A few moments later.
So, parang the easier way to do this is, yan, medyo straighten yung wire. Tsaka yung dulo. Then, yan. Para madaling i-ayan yung port. Okay. Alright, so yan, naikabit natin. Okay, teka, pakita ko lang sa inyo. Yan, naikabit na natin siya. Kung medyo nahirapan kayo, na alamin kung ano yung which is which, no? When you try to plug it, yung red wire, yung nasa left, no? If you're looking at it this way, yung red wire is nasa left, okay? Then from here, i-align naman natin yung harap. Okay? Kasi yung pinakamakapal, yun yung nasa baba. Nandun din yung enemy canal, okay? So, i-align nyo lang yung pinakadulong yan, yung pinakababa, dito sa roller, okay? Then, from here, align lang natin, pabalik, okay? Pwede ba ito i-clip, no? Kung di ka naman palaging lumalabas or maalis. Yun nga lang, is a tendency na matanggal uli yung front part. Especially kung gagamit kayo ng cover na ganito, yung blower type, no? Pag ginamit niya, madaling matatanggal ulit yung front part. Okay? So, before you close it up, get a glue. Ang ginagamit ko lang usually is T7000 or B7000 para madaling tanggalin. Although, makapit siya, pag nag-cure, it would take 2 days to cure this. So, pag nilagay nyo, antay kayo 2 days bago nyo gamitin. Kasi natatanggal to using alcohol and heat. Okay? So, lagyan nyo lang ulit dun sa part na merong mga glue. Ayan. Lagyan lang konti. Okay? Konti lang. Dab lang. Okay? Then, close the lid. No? Balik lang natin. Yeah. Okay. Ngayon, ang kaganda kasi dito sa B7000 tsaka T7000. Yung T7000 is black. B7000 is clear. Ginamit ko is black kasi wala lang. Trip ko lang. Ang kagandahan kasi, habang hindi pa siya nag-cure, pwede mo pa siyang punasan. Matagal ang curing time niya. Pag nilagay nyo, 1 hour. Then, to fully cure it, to take 2 days. Okay? So, yan. Since malambot pa to, we could just wipe it up using any wet wipes. Or, kung gusto nyo, gamit kayo ng tissue and you're good to go. Okay? Usually, natatanggal na yan. Yan. Okay? Ayan, o. Okay? So, that is how you clean up and open up the front part of the Jisoo Life. Kita nyo naman gumagana yung LED pa din. Okay, so, wala naman tayo naging problema. So, madali lang siya gawin. It will take a bit of time. Pero the moment you open this up, madali mo nang ma-access yung node. And you could just clean up the front part. Okay? So, we will end the video here. Hope to see you on the next video. Take care.